Well, I gotta say, I'm proud of them boys. They surprised me yesterday. They went into one of our primary farms and had absolute storybook hunt. I mean, 2 big gobblers come down just right after daylight, come through the fog. And I like the way the Ev put it. They got it all on video coming through that fog. He said it looked like ghosts coming through into that field. This is the first week. I'm taking a couple days off. Dad's off all week. Ev's off a couple days. So we're going to get after them here some weekdays. We're going to have a lot better weather. It's supposed to be up in the 70s as opposed to, what was it, 50s, 60s yesterday? I don't know, but it's going to be a lot better weather the next few days, and I think that'll really get them turned on. We hope so anyway. We're going to a new farm that we ain't stepped a foot on since last year this morning. Gonna try our luck there. It's been a good farm in the past as far as hearing birds, and he's killed the biggest bird that he's ever killed off this farm, so we're gonna go give it a try, go set up, see what happens. Don't do no good there. We've got till 12 o'clock today. It's Virginia. We'll be after them today. I think Ev and Dad are gonna try to go tomorrow, depending on weather. Tomorrow will be Tuesday, and then Wednesday I'm off again. I'll probably go with Dad somewhere again that day, and then this coming weekend is Easter, so I'm off Friday. So we're going to have some good days to hunt this week. And Lord willing, we'll have some good opportunities too. I just got set up. We've got one bird gobbling up a holler here. Nothing else has sounded off close yet, but typically when we've hunted here before, if there's one gobbling up this holler, he tends to work this way at some point in the morning. But we're tucked in here, got a beautiful field in front of us. It's the first time I've ever been here this early in season, and it is as short as I've ever seen it. Everything's just starting to come alive though, so there's still a chance a bird could sound off. It's been silent. It's pretty cold this morning. It's upper 30s, low 40s. This is day 1 of vacation, baby. Let's see if we can get one on the ground. Yeah, he's coming. He's a lot closer. Yeah. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. See? You seen them there? You see? No, he's got a picture. He's staying in the same spot. Yeah, I see him, I see him. He's coming down, but he's going toward that other bottom over there. There he is. Oh, I see him. Feeding now. Which way? Up toward that road where my hands are at. Now he's strutting. He's got a rope.
I'm talking about, damn, that's what I'm talking about. God almighty, Henry.
Something up over on the beach.
God almighty.
There you go.
Misfire.
God almighty.
God almighty, Henry. God almighty.
Oh, God. There's another, I don't know if it was a hen, there's another big turkey that's coming down the street.
God almighty, what a hunt, dude.
Okay. We were pinned, wasn't we? I mean pinned down. So old Jake took another beat for us then. The feather. I'm still pulling out pieces, I can't even talk. Oh, son. Well, there's a lot to talk about, really. We set up their normal spot at daylight this morning. I didn't really hear anything close, you know, on this farm where we're at, but we heard some gobblers that were potentially, you know, within distance that may come in, and we started giving out some tree yelps early and just really got lucky. We had a hen up in the hill above us, got to cut and shine. I mean, she was calling and we were calling, and this gobbler got to responding to her, and I mean, he got fired up, man. She was up in there cutting and just going wild, and he cut the distance, I'd say within 5 minutes he was close. I mean, he come down the ridge and strutted, and he actually stayed up right in the skyline where we could see him up on the big ridge above us for a while, and he finally broke and come down, and he actually crossed a different field, one that we walked through getting to our setup this morning, and strutted in it for a little bit. I tried to video a little bit with the camcorder while he was in it, but he kind of circled us and got up there and got with them hens, and there ended up being a hen there, and then he strutted with her for a while, and then another one flew in from another ridge and got with him, and I don't know, it felt like an eternity. He stayed up above us on that ridge behind us, and he strutted and gobbled and just put on a show up there, which we were sort of pinned down because one of them hens was down there lower, closer to us. And, you know, we just kept being patient. We called a little bit, and he'd gobble, and we finally caught the attention of one of them hens, and she come down through the woods and out into the field, just right in front of us. So that really had us pinned down at that point. I mean, she was probably 10 yards most of the time, picking around, feeding and looking. And finally, we got to calling a little bit, and he broke down the hill, and Dad said he was coming, and it was just a matter of time. But he kind of got out of our sight, and I finally caught his fan out of the left corner of my eye pop up over the top, just maybe 20 yards to our left. At that point, he had done seen our decoys. He was committed to coming down and come through the woods right where we were at, right with us, crossed the creek and jumped into the field and went straight to our decoy set and swelled up on that Jake. As soon as he turned around, I clicked and gun misfired. So then we were in a predicament there. The hen that was out in the field had already kind of spooked and was getting out of there, so I just kicked another shell in it and said a quick prayer that it would go off this time, and it did. He folded like a sack of rocks, and the rest is history. Feathers went everywhere, and man, I tell you, that heavy shot, it pulverized him, man. He never even moved. But good looking 2-year-old, probably got a 10-inch beard or so, inch spurs. I'll take him any day of the week. This is the first day that I've ever taken off work on vacation to get after these birds, and it's been kind of rough opening weekend here in Virginia, but today makes up for all of that. We're going to take it all in, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the whole day.